and welcome to OET Masters. Today we'll be discussing about IELTS. Yes, you heard me right. Don't get scared, candidates. IELTS is an easy exam if you know how to prepare it. Why to gather yourself in so many thoughts of guidance? You don't need that. You just need one guidance at OET Masters to learn how to crack your exam of IELTS and how to score your required bands. Let's see how. So we'll be discussing about IELTS speaking today, where I'll be telling you what are the common mistakes. So first mistake is definitely, you know that is repetition of your sentences. Why you repeat the sentences? Why you cram the sentences? If you're gonna cram your sentences, you will be stuck in only that sentences. So I have a solution for you. If you're repeating too many sentences in your speaking of IELTS, while maybe preparing, while maybe in the actual test, what you should do? You have a solution that you should listen to English songs with their lyrics in front of you. This will give you few more words, few more thoughts. If you're not good at reading books, don't worry. You can accept this solution, or even just think anything around you and you can start speaking on that. For example, a pen in my hand. So you can try to make few sentences on the same. For example, the laptop. So anything around you, try framing the sentences, 2 or 3 sentences maximum, so that you have the idea and you know what you speak. Because in this way, you'll be gathering more and more words in your brain that will help you when you're actually giving your speaking. Let's move to the next one. The next point we will be discussing is about your pauses. Yes, I get many students who ask me that, Ma'am, I get many pauses. I know that it is really difficult for a non-speaker who doesn't speak much of English language in your day to speak continuously for 2 minutes and maybe of new topic. I know, but then you don't have to take many pauses. A pause more than 3 seconds is definitely a pause. If it is less than that, it is a natural pause. How to cover that? You can use connectors. You know we have a video of connectors. You can watch the connectors for that. But now I'll tell you how to use connectors to cover your pauses. Here we go. For example, you're unable to speak on your favorite movie and you think of some, say Fast and Furious is your favorite movie and you want to speak about that. So you say, these are the pauses you take. What you can do that, I think the Fast and Furious movie I saw last summer is my favorite. So this way, just cover maybe through connector, maybe through words such as I think, maybe, obviously, fortunately, and so on. You can also use words such as however, which is a connector I was talking about, that I think there are many movies which are my favorite or which are in the list of my favorite movies. However, I think Fast and Furious is my favorite. So you have just covered it. You have played a nice and clever game by this. Next, we're going to talk about is your qualitative words. I don't mean vocabulary through qualitative words. I mean qualitative words means good words that show that you know what words are to be used in your speaking. For example, you must know, and many of you will know a very, very common words these days I often listen in speaking is refresh to be changed to rejuvenate. That's very common, but that's the easiest way I wish to explain you. So yes, so that is a vocabulary type, but after all, it is a qualitative word. If it is a peaceful place, you can say tranquil. So such 15 to 20 words are enough for your speaking. I don't mean that 15 to 20 words are to be used all in once 2 minutes. No. When you use 15 to 20 words every time, in your practice sessions, then at least 5 you will speak in your speaking. So this way really works. Next, we will talk about what your cue card demands. Cue card has one word, which is the important one. Maybe favorite speech, maybe favorite dress, color. So it's a one keyword. Now, how we should practice for your speaking through that keywords is you should have a list of words that are keywords that often come in your the cue card, right? So that words are to be literally in your list that you have to practice every day. Now, when you only practice one session with your teacher, you think that's not enough. No, I think one assessment in a day is enough. Don't stress yourself too much. But what you can do is, if you have covered one topic in your speaking assessment in a day, cover 3 to 4 by yourself, because that topics will definitely be repeated in your practice session nearby. So we can do that, right? The next I would like to talk here is that try to make a story. Now, what do I mean by making a story is, when you have a topic and you don't know much about it, try to make a story. You don't have to say any personal stories or the stories you have heard. Just try to cook up a story of your own. Say, favorite movie, Fast and Furious, but you don't know even that who played what, right? What roles were played in that. You can play a good game. Let's make that a story that you went to watch the movie in last summer and certain things happened. You got free tickets, so I remember that yes, I enjoyed the movie too much. That way you can help yourself to clear your speaking. Next, definitely is the last point but not the least, and which is really crucial for your speaking, is your self-confidence. Many students who come to us have one single problem, is hesitation. I know that it's really difficult to understand so much things once. When you think that you'll clear your exam in 1 month, maybe you can do it, maybe not. But one thing you require is your self-confidence. How to increase that? Read aloud. So that's a good way. What you can do is take a newspaper, read it aloud, so that you don't hesitate, right? You have the confidence. You have to make your confidence boosted every day. Soon you clear your exam. Even when you come abroad, you have to survive with your good communication skills and a good confidence. So what we do for you here? We give you special communication class once in a week that will only require your speaking skills assessed by us for at least 40 to 45 minutes of your speaking. We make you speak. What? Maybe from novels, maybe read aloud practices, maybe ideas practices. So this way you can improve your speaking. So thank you for watching my video at OET Masters and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.